with Pradeep Kumar. If you like this channel, please like, comment, share with your friends, subscribe and click the bell icon. Strength of materials, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problems, Class 12. If you want to see my previous classes, please visit my channel and see all the videos and subscribe. This sum is different from previous sums. We are going to calculate the momentum of a force from one place to another place in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. Now see the question. A force of 100 Newton is acting at a point A. There was a force, it was 100 Newton, it was acting at a point A as shown in the figure given below. Determine the momentum of this force about A. So we have to calculate the momentum of the force about A. So from the point it present now to the O. So now see, the given data is force at A is 100 Newton and we have to find this momentum of force about O, MO. So solution for this problem. The momentum of force 100 Newton about O. Now see the diagram. We have x-axis and y-axis from the point O. The force A is present at the top and the force will be AB, and the AB on the A point is a fixed point and B point is the momentum point. So now we have to calculate the B is moving towards O. So we want to find how much it want to move from B to O. So we have to find the value of OB now. So to get the momentum, so MO equal to 100 into OB. So we know the OB, we can find the momentum of force A about O. So now we take the triangle OCB. The angle of C is 60 degree. So I take the angle of OCB. So OCB is 60 degree. The sine, we know the sine theta opposite side by hypotenuse. The opposite side is OB and hypotenuse is OC. And the value of OC is 3 meter. We have to substitute that. So sine 60 is 0.866 equal to OB divided by OC value is 3. And now I am transferring the 3 from right to left. It becomes multiplication. So 0.866 into 3 equal to OB. Now the value of OB is 2.598 meter. Now substitute this OB in MO equal to 100 into OB. So MO equal to 100 into OB. The value of OB is 100 into 2.598. Now the value of MO, the momentum from O is about O is 259.8 Newton meter. It was clockwise movement. Now the result is momentum of force about O, MO equal to 259.8 Newton meter. It was a clockwise movement. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section and subscribe my video. Thank you friends.